Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off Samsung keyboard sound. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to sounds and vibration. Go to system sound. And here you can see Samsung keyboard sound. Right now this has been enabled. If you want to turn off, just tap here and turn off Samsung keyboard sound. Similarly, we can turn off touch sound, dialing keypad sound, charging sound, screen lock or unlock sound. So we can control all these sounds. So you can try this. So this way we can turn off or on Samsung keyboard sound. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel. Please like and share the video.